Hello, Michael. This is Nicole from Chargeeight, also called 中电核心. We are a manufacturer specializes in this power bank rental station, and we located in Shenzhen City. And now I'm going to show you have a short introduction of our company. This is front area, and we have this overseas cases, part of them, right? And this is the front area. This left area is our exhibition area, and we have this. The left part is the type of big station, big rental power bank station, and the right part is small power bank station. So for this big slots power bank station usually has 24, 48, 96 and 120 slots, which means that it involves 24, 48 and 96 or 120 pieces of power bank in this rental station. So you can see that all this big station with this large screen. So if you have the resources to put this rental power bank in the locations commercial center or sports stadium or university campus, you can have this because it can help you to put the ads displayed in the screen, and will help you to display your products or the ads you want to show to the local customers. This part is some of our overseas clients went to our company for a visit. And also the patent. We have done most of the patents from most of the countries like America, Europe country, or some strict testing PSC from Japan. And also this power bank. We also designed a power bank for our customers because for the localization of this running business, you have to know your customers' requirements and get to know that which is the best solution for them. Also, we design the power bank according to our clients' requirement. Also, they will investigate the users' user habits and give us the feedback, and we'll design the power bank according to that. So you can see for different countries, Go battery, power anywhere, smart box, Korean customer, and we have Turkey, American client, good quality. Battery B, green battery, power body. You can see they are in different colors and with different colors of the cable and the appearance, because all depending on their requirements. Okay, this part is for the small station, the desktop type. Well, from Miss Jones showed me, you see the type is this type, right? This type from Naki. It's similar like this one. We call it as 8 slots power bank rental station because it involves 8 pieces of power bank, and you have this QR code here and can have your customer scan here and then rent the power bank. Right, and this is for the display of some commercial ads if you want, or show your brand. And you can put this model together to make it as like 24 slots or 48 slots. No, it's like 16 slots or 24 slots. And for your requirements, you mean like 8 slots power bank station, like this desktop type. You can put it in like restaurant or retail shop or like coffee bar, etc. We also have this with screen, and you can change the display content by using this software, the background software. You have the operator account. This is for our Latin area friends. Spanish. Like steps for how to rent a power bank and how to return, and also can change the content by showing the commercial ads. For Japan, also like this is 6 slots, also just 6 slots of the power banks involved. 12 slots. This one also the 8 slots. 8 pieces of power bank. Okay, all the colors can be customized, and also the colors of the outlook of the station, and also the colors of the power bank. Okay, this one is much bigger because it's like have 120 slots, which means 120 pieces of power bank. And usually we will put this in some big space like commercial center, hospital, or even in airport. Put some of these products in our domestic airport like Shanghai airport. Okay, this is like our working area. This room is our hardware team. And we have our software team, so we can like provide the whole solution of which is fit into your local business.